Sabayin niyo na ako dyan! Hindi naman ako maselan, pwede ako isabay! Kaya!
Philippines Divisional Elections, CEF number 24. Certificate of Canvas of Votes and Proclamation of Winning Candidate for Mayor. May 12, 2025 National, Local, and Farm Parliamentary Elections. May 12, 25. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 1,584 class 56 for the candidates wherein for Mayor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part thereof is the statement of votes by precincts, CEF number 20-8, garnered by each candidate for the office of Mayor. That after such canvass, it appears that Dumagoso Isko Moreno garnered 580,825 votes for the office of Mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office.
Wala nga patatawan!
On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named Mayor of NCR City of Manila, province of NCR Manila. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our thumb marks in the City of Manila, province of NCR Manila on May 13, 2025, 8:50 p.m. City Board of Canvassers, Jeremy Menes, Chairperson, Giovanni Dini, Vice Chairperson, Teresa Lumeda, Member Secretary.
Yeah! Nasaan na si Ian?
Wala na po uwi na.
Di ba ano ba siya?
Uwi na.
First!
Pamilya Tumapuso. Pamilya.
Yorme! 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 Kong! Kong! Kuya Kong!
I have no words, but thanks to the people of Manila. I am grateful to each and every citizen of the city. In this type of mandate, I really owe it to you. I will do my best to be a better mayor of the city. And lastly, alam ko sa June 30 pa kumupo, baka naman kung may visa pa yung salita ko na yun. Pero nananawagan ako sa inyo. Let's start healing this island. Too many words, hurtful words thrown to us and to you. I know. But sabi nga, let's be magnanimous in victory. And